Most people know how important it is to get an annual physical exam, but a lot of us don't also get a comprehensive eye exam every year. Joining us today to talk about the importance of eye exams are Lori Grover and Dr. Mark Jacquot, Vice President and Clinical Director of Lens Crafters. Thank you both for joining us.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you.
All right, so you have some info about the recent meeting of healthcare professionals. They discussed the importance of proper vision care. Can you tell us a little more about what they found?
What we know is that although the majority of people, 8 out of 10 people interviewed, view sight loss as their major fear if they were going to lose one of their 5 senses, we're finding that people aren't getting their eyes examined regularly. In fact, they're getting their eyes checked about every 2 to 2.5 years. And the problem with that is that there are conditions, there are eye diseases and systemic diseases that can impact the eye that sometimes don't have visual symptoms. So people are not self-referring, if you will, until they have a visual problem or they just can't see clearly. And in some cases, it's too late to intervene in some of these other conditions that we know about.
And this seems to be really, really important. So why is that, especially for children? Why is it so important for children to get eye exams?
Oftentimes, vision problems in the eye and visual system in children are asymptomatic, which means that nobody knows they're there. We know that 80% of learning is visual, and oftentimes children will not be performing well in school, and we won't know that it is related to their eye and visual system unless they're examined by an optometrist. And that way we recommend we actually see children before 6 months of age, because there are a lot of conditions that can cause vision problems for the rest of their lives that can be addressed early on. So not only doing well in school, but making sure that we prevent long-lasting visual problems is really the key for why a comprehensive eye exam is needed for children very young, before school and during school, especially if problems are identified.
So what does this look like? What does a comprehensive eye exam entail?
So what we're doing is first and foremost looking at vision, seeing how clearly someone can see. We're measuring the eye's focusing ability and how well they work together, so a lot of functional aspects of vision. And then we're taking a look at the health of the eye from front to back, looking at the eyelids, the structures in the front of the eye, the cornea, and really taking a visual tour through the eye, if you will, to make sure that everything is clear and healthy. But overall, a comprehensive eye exam is a really necessary part of someone's overall wellness regimen and gives us a thorough look at what's going on inside the eye, as well as some windows to what's happening inside the body.
Thank you so much for sharing this important health information. We'll put more on coffeewithamerica.com.